Okay, we're gonna come visit the birds.
Hello?
Hello? Boo.
What?
What? What do you want, Marla? What are you doing? Stop choking yourself. Alright, now we're gonna come visit Pippin. He looks cute, but he can be vicious.
Hello?
Hey, Merlin.
Hello?
Hey. Uh, Merlin. Hey, Merlin. Boo. Boo.
Use these devices only outside, away from windows and doors. Never use them inside
Merlin.
your home or garage. And be
Pippin.
sure your home has a working carbon monoxide detector.
Merlin, say goodbye.
Save your life. Sponsored by the Maine State Fire Marshal's Office through the Maine Association of Broadcasters.
Okay, bye-bye.